Hello. Why do I look haggard as hell? But this is a new makeup routine type thing, because my makeup routine has changed quite a lot from when I first started doing makeup to how I do it now. No, not thus, that's wrong. Henceforth, I will be showing you my new makeup routine. So yeah. So honestly, my makeup is actually really simple compared to how I've usually done it. And I think it's because I'm getting old. I don't have the time nor the effort to actually want to care about putting a lot of makeup on. I have a tremendous respect for people who do continue to put on a lot of makeup because I'm just lazy and I'm so demotivated. Anyway, I'm priming my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of the best primers I've ever tried. It's so good, and I hate that I like it so much because number one, it's expensive. Number two, it's really difficult to find here in Malaysia, so you have to like order from like a seller who like sells American makeup or skincare and stuff like that and hope for the best. And yeah, so I'm trying to use that less and less, but my makeup looks really different from when I use it and when I don't use it. So after that, I do my brows. I have to get closer actually. So after that, I do my brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. So I'm just gonna brush my what is this? My brows, my goodness. My brows upwards. I have a little bit of a bald spot here for some reason. I don't know what happened, but I woke up one morning and it was just a bald spot on my right eyebrow, and then I was like, damn, I can't believe I have to deal with two pandemics at the same time. You know, the COVID-19 and a bald spot in my eyebrow. It's okay. So pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I know that like I used to use the BH brow pomade. I still do, but that's more for like what's the word? What is wrong with me today? Like glam, like glam makeup looks. I don't glam it up anymore. I think I'm a bit too old for that, because also, who am I trying to impress? Nobody. The only person that I genuinely try to impress is myself, because if I don't think that I am the hottest piece of ass to grace this earth, then who will? Genuinely, who will? Exactly. So I'm just trying to fucking fill in this bald spot in my eyebrow. So yeah, I look kind of crazy, but that's because I have no like other makeup on. That's why I look insane, but it's fine. I'm just gonna brush it and then I won't look insane anymore, I can assure you. I feel like when you fill in your brows, before you like brush it out, like feather it out a little bit, it actually genuinely looks insane. And after you brush it out, it just like, see, it's not too bad anymore. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. I think it's how to be a glossier girl when you're not a glossier girl, because I'm not a glossier girl. But I try, and that's good enough. I forgot. I look borderline insane, but This, I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. This is the shade Medium 90W. And I'm using it with a Fenty sponge. I'm so sorry, you guys. I forgot to film that part. Oh my god, as if y'all care. Y'all be like, as if we care, queen, but you do you. I swear to god, this is like, this will make sense. This makes sense. Anyway, so yeah, I already wet my sponge, but I'm just gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh, it always does this thing where it like blends out crazy because I didn't ring it up enough. But I swear to god, it makes sense. It makes sense. Trust me. Can you trust me? My mirror is actually so far, I need to come closer. But I don't want y'all to see how I actually look, because I feel like that would be an embarrassment to me and my brand. It's whatever. Yeah. Gonna blend this side. Self-explanatory, I think. If that's not self-explanatory, then that's on you. It's not on me. It's really not on me, honestly. Gosh, how are y'all dealing with a pandemic in your 20s, your late teens? It's not hot, fresh, sexy, and funky for me, honestly. I am doing my best, and I think that deserves a round of applause. I think we don't applaud ourselves enough for doing our best, and sometimes I think we need to applaud ourselves for doing the bare minimum, because sometimes the bare minimum is very difficult, you know? So yeah. Oh, I forgot to, you know what, it's fine. I think I don't look crazy. I thought I would look crazy because like sometimes I usually do this with tinted moisturizer, but I've gotten lazy, and that's just bare skin. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows again because it looks crazy in the mirror that I'm like looking at in right now. That sentence was probably not grammatically correct, but who is going to come for me exactly? Yup. Okay. So, what else is next? Oh yeah. After that, I use the Glossier Cloud Paint, this is why I said like how to be a Glossier girl without actually being a Glossier girl, because I'm using Glossier. Look at me. Look at me, you guys. We've come so far. That was a bit much. It's fine. It's fine. The thing, I hate this packaging. I really like this product, but I hate this packaging because it gives you so much. So just gonna do that. Like on my cheekbones and then a little bit on my nose. I cannot stop talking in an Australian accent. I like started doing it like ironically, now I'm doing it unironically. That's like the case. That's like the case. What am I talking about? Whatever. I'm gonna blend this out as well. I look like a clown, honestly, but it all makes sense at the end. You gotta trust the process. Oh my god. You gotta trust the process. You know? And then y'all would be like,
no, we don't know, Ashley.
I sound like a cunt. It's fine. See, now it makes sense, right? It doesn't, I don't look crazy. Maybe I just look crazy in the mirror because this mirror is making me look raggedy. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. What is next? Highlighter. Yeah. If you've been following me for a while, if you've watched my previous videos, I've used this a lot in this Colourpop Wisp. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. Just, can y'all see it? I can see it in the mirror, but like, I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera video. I'm sorry, I can't take myself seriously. Like, how I look like a mom. MILF? Who knows? Right, what's next? Bronzer. So I'm using the balm Bahama and just going to self-explanatory, just bronze. Just wanna be your girl. Adore. Right. Yeah, so actually maybe I'll title this video how to catfish in, like, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, maybe 15 minutes or something, whatever, something like that. Either that or the how to be a glossier girl without being a glossier girl. I get it cracking like a bad bag. That's the lyrics for Nicki Minaj's Stupid Hoe. I think the opening lyrics for Nicki Minaj's Stupid Hoe. I get it cracking. I forgot the rest. I just know I get it cracking like a bad bag. She kind of snapped with that, because I do be cracking like a bad bag. Alright. Oh, I feel like I need to add a little bit more concealer at the spots I missed, because I forgot like an idiot. But I'm going to just and then just, this looks like war paint. I'm not going to war, but you know who should go to war? Men. Remember the times when men went to war and just died? That's so crazy. Like, that was a thing. That was a normalized thing. Maybe we should re-normalize it. Please don't. Allegedly. Yeah, don't take anything I say seriously. This video does not represent me personally, even though I'm the one talking in it and I'm recording it out of my own volition. But yeah, don't believe everything you see on the internet. I think that's really dangerous if you just believe everything you see on the internet with no credibility behind it, you know. Whatever. What's next? Oh yeah, I'm almost done actually. Gonna do my lashes. So actually this is a little bit of a get ready with me, isn't it? Like, I don't think I've ever done one of those. It's not like a talk through at least. Yeah, gonna do my mascara with, this is Lash Paradise. Oh wait, I missed a step, hold on. You know what, I'll do that later. This is actually not the correct order, because I usually like powder my face first before I do my lashes, but it's okay, we're gonna roll with it. As you have to be, what am I saying? You have to be able to adapt, and you have to be flexible when it comes to unforeseen circumstances, which is why I'm adapting. These are from Shopee. I will include the link in the description box down below if anyone wants that. I have to stop speaking like this. So what I do is I cut one lash in 2 pieces, because I will look crazy. It'll look like there's wings on my eyes, and I'm not trying to be like Nelly Furtado in her hit single Just Like a Bird. I'm using, what lash glue is this? This is pretty good actually. DUP Eyelashes Fixer X. This is the clear one. They have a black one. You can get this at Guardian. I got that on a whim and it works really well. So I wait like for 40 seconds for this to like be tacky enough for me to just plop it on. So this is the moment. Brace yourself. Oh wait, this is the wrong side. It's fine. I'll just do this really quickly and be able to rectify my mistake. See, you have to be flexible. You have to be able to adapt. I'm just talking shit at this point. Because honestly, don't listen to me. Don't take me as a point of authority by any means. And I think you'll be fine. So, yeah. So I just put them underneath. And then I press them. I don't know how long that took. That probably took like 10 seconds, honestly. Maybe less. But yeah. So I saw this TikTok that said like don't mess with women who can do their eyelashes with their fingers alone. Honestly, it's not that difficult. Or maybe that's just me. I've gotten so used to applying lashes that like I might as well just get lash extensions, but I hear that they're difficult to maintain and I'm lazy, and these Shopee lashes are 3 ringgit and lash extensions are like what, I don't know, fucking 100 plus like every month or something. I don't have that kind of money. Contrary, I don't know how to pronounce that. Contrary to popular belief, people think that I have money. I don't. I don't know if y'all heard that, but it was like a motorcycle. Vroom vroom. Just know they can't catch me. Right. No, because it's true. It's true. See, this changes everything. This is what's so crazy. Just like 2 pieces of like hair on your eyelids and like it changes your entire face. I think that's kind of crazy, you guys. If you don't think that's crazy, I probably have seen less than you then. Like if that, because that's kind of crazy to me. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows again because I don't know, they look raggedy in the mirror, but they don't look bad on camera. Right. I'm going to powder my face. This is Fit Me Maybelline Poreless. I bought this in 2018 and I'm still not finished. I bought this when I was 18. I'm 21 now and like this shit is still there. It's insane to me. This is a really good powder too, and it's cheap and really accessible. I can get it pretty much anywhere. So I just set where I had the concealer on, which is essentially my whole face. I don't know why I just said that, but yeah, whatever. This is my video, my YouTube channel. I can do whatever I want. What are y'all gonna do? Sue me? I'd like to see you try. So I have a pimple here. I'm gonna change it into a mole. Yep, y'all heard me. I'm gonna change it into a mole. This is how I catfish people. I change my pimples into beauty marks. See? Y'all don't know me. Y'all don't know me like that. You're not gonna know. And you're not going to. And then I just... Who's gonna come for me? Who? Exactly. And I'm gonna spray my face and I'm gonna change and then I will be done. Oh, I double set my face, by the way. So first I used the Too Faced hangoverx. And then after I let that dry, I use the MAC Fix Plus. Yes. Okay, so I've changed. Can we get a little commotion? Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to do my lips. Nothing crazy, really. Just... I don't think I'm gonna use that one. Yeah, so using the Dior Lip Maximizer, and I'm done. That's it. Thank you for watching, Thank you. Bye.